Good morning, guys. Planning on doing some photos today of some ducks because there's nothing else to shoot right now. But Monday, Monday's gonna be a fun day because we're shooting a person for a change. Hopefully, I can get permission from her to shoot some video. That's good. That's gonna be a lot more fun than watching me take a photo of a duck. But anyways, so I'm gonna just be sitting down editing, and you're just gonna watch a time lapse of that until this afternoon because it's about, hold on, it's about 11:30 right now, so can't do much in the likes of taking photos outside because the light's too at a high angle and will look like this. Wait, shadow under eyes. That's what you're gonna get. So that won't be working quite well for what I have in mind. So yeah, uh, enjoy the time lapse. See you guys in the next part. Okay, let's get started, I guess. Yes, I've got a little hat because, yeah, I'm shooting in the sun. I'm not waiting any longer. I'm just gonna start shooting. So, let me show you my little setup. Yeah, sun's quite bright. So, that's the whole setup. I will be shooting in an opposite direction. Okay, let's just get in the shade. Okay, yes, umbrella. I could see a few of them right now, so we'll get some interesting little photos. It's hot. I don't like the sun, but it's fine. We can get some nice photos. Okay, look, ducks. So that's the subject for today. So let's get to shooting. It's hot. I can see a few more. There's a few more. Good. At least they're coming out. Might do a few different spots to get the shots because I don't think this angle will work, but good. Work with what we have. It seems to be they have officially buggered off. They're not here anymore. They moved to the dam area. That's way down there, so I'm gonna have to quickly change up the setup and we should be shooting soon. It's nice taking photos, but it's not as easy as it looks to get birds to stand still because the animals, they don't stand still. They're not as humans, we can't pose them. Maybe you'll learn something from this video, perhaps not. Maybe it's just entertainment. We shall find out together. Okay, gotta start shooting now. They're coming out interesting. I don't know if you guys can see. Watch it, this duck. Okay, I've got one little tip. Don't go take photos in the middle of the damn day. That's a good tip. Because either you're gonna melt like ice cream. I would suggest going to go take photos of birds in the shade. Maybe a little breeze, and also early morning and afternoon, late afternoon, go shoot some bird photos. I might actually move again quickly, get a different angle, get some more shade, because where I'm now, it's hot, like in really hot. There's a little breeze blowing, that's helpful. I gotta switch the camera off, see what happens. See you guys in a sec. I actually got quite freaking close to these ducks. I've got some very interesting shots. It will be popping up on the screen right now as I'm talking. Let's put that off. But anyways, they were like half a meter away from me, and that never happens. But thanks to a little bug flying past, they were chasing the bug. So I didn't get a shot of them catching it, but I did get some nice photos of them coming very close to me. So I get that these look very nice. But I might have to move now because there's no one down here to take photos of. Unless I go grab a macro lens, try and shoot some bugs. But that's kind of boring. So my friend specializes in that. I don't. So maybe we move. I move. Yes, I'm gonna move. Or maybe not. They're coming back now. They're up and down the whole damn garden today. After bugs, flies, moth, and anything that moves turns into lunch. So, you hear that? Yeah, those are the ducks. These little tiny ducklings. We're gonna be outside for a while still, so get comfy. Get something to drink. For my part, get yourself a tropical juice. Because that's what I want right now. uh, we're moving. Yeah, let's get going. Oh! Flippin' hell. Damn. Okay. I can't forget you guys. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, and I decided it's too hot, so I actually grabbed a blanket just to put it on top of this, just to cool myself a little bit down, cause it's so damn hot. Ugh. But we've got nice shade right now, so that's good. Let's plop you guys over here. Yeah. Let's see if I can see anything that's going on down here, and perhaps we can get some nice photos. Whew. How long's this video? Yes, still short. We're still good. Ah, damn, they're running away. We might not get a photo here, but I'll shoot something else. And maybe a flower. Could make for an interesting shot. Okay, flower it is. We're shooting some flowers. Flower photography. Very easy. Just make sure your lighting is correct and you should be good. It's a little flower in front of me, so I'll shoot that then. Because apparently I can't shoot the birds right now. Oh, here they come, here they come, here they come. Never mind this side. Shutters too high, and they're too damn far away. Nice. Never mind. We're not shooting birds right now. Maybe later. Let's get this flower. What flower? I can't see a flower. Ah, there you go. So, Shooting flowers, determining on what type of look you want. I tend to shoot a little bit darker because I like moody photos. So if you do not like moody photos, just shoot a little bit brighter, but keep this in mind. Keep your highlights and shadows in mind so your photo looks good. Because at the moment the flower's in shadow, so there are no highlights. Okay, maybe there's some highlights. We'll see in editing. Uh, yeah. But anyways, let me just continue taking photos of this flower. It's gonna be a long day. Bear with me. It's gonna be a fun day though. Very fun.